Each year, companies spend millions of dollars for safety analysts to conduct detailed surveys of electrical systems in order to meet safety labeling requirements. But much of these expenses and change management problems are now unnecessary thanks to a simplifying method: FlashTables Unlimited. FlashTables Unlimited takes the local standards used to design and build electrical systems and calculates values for electricians, who may then create and apply these labels themselves, saving a lot of time and money. All types, sizes, and combinations of equipment have been considered so that you can be sure the calculations prescribed will be accurate for worker safety. Watch how it works. An electrician, familiar with the premises, surveys the system safely by noting the transformer size, circuit breaker or fuse information, and raceway distance. FlashTables Unlimited uses that information to prescribe the correct label. The electrician can then prepare the label using a portable printer or customize pre-printed label and apply it on the spot. What a time saver! FlashTables Unlimited is already being used around the world by some of the largest companies with spectacular results. Find out what FlashTables Unlimited can do for your business at arcflashtables.com.